Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am so excited about today's video because we're talking about something that's near and dear to my heart: interior design. Now I know what you might be thinking. Interior design? Is that really something you can just switch to? Well, I'm here to tell you that you absolutely can.
In today's world, our homes, offices, and public spaces play a crucial role in our well-being and productivity. Interior design transcends mere decoration. It's about optimizing space, functionality, and aesthetics to create environments that enhance. Let's explore the options. 1. After 12th grade, even without prior art training, you can pursue a formal education in interior design. caddcom Lab, providing diploma programs in interior design, interior architecture, or related fields. These programs typically cover design principles, understanding composition, color theory, and spatial planning. Technical skills, drafting, CAD software and 3D modeling. Materials and finishes, knowledge of various materials, textiles, and their applications. Building codes and regulations, ensuring designs comply with safety standards.
caddcom Lab channel is all about learning civil, interior, mechanical, electrical, architectural, CAD softwares from basic to advanced for technical and non-technical students. caddcom Lab is also providing app facility for online course in details, drawings for working. Mr. Sahil gives professional level training, and also he provides live projects training. Learn detailed architecture drawings and interior detailed drawings section, elevation, electrical, design, etc. Join our 3-month professional course, and also you can join 6-month diploma in interior design with Gulf country details. More information about all professional interior and CAD courses through our institution. Feel free to contact us on 888-1262772, 840-0170356. Subscribe to our channel and keep watching our latest videos on various design softwares.